In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have lovable designs include AI features. So if you're ready to make your designs not just functional, but truly engaging, then let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Lovable, your go-to destination for creating delightful designs. Lovable provides a comprehensive platform that empowers you to seamlessly incorporate AI into your projects. By starting here, you're setting yourself up for a smoother design journey. Now, once you're on Lovable's platform, it's time to explore their AI integrations menu. This feature is a treasure trove of tools and options designed to enhance your designs with AI capabilities. While navigating through this menu, take your time to familiarize yourself with the various integrations available. Lovable has made it user-friendly, so even if you're new to this, you'll find it quite intuitive. Next, you'll want to prompt Lovable to add AI features. This is where the magic starts happening. It's crucial to understand what you want the AI to accomplish within your design. Spend a moment pondering which areas would benefit most from AI enhancements. Once you have a clear idea, prompting Lovable will align your vision with the technology, bringing your concepts to life. Looking for inspiration? Let's talk about some popular AI feature ideas that you might want to consider. You could integrate AI-powered chatbots to improve customer interaction, or maybe use AI-driven analytics to gather valuable insights into user behavior. By weaving these features seamlessly into your design, you can significantly enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Now, with these AI features in place, the next step is to enhance the user interface to match them. Think of this as creating a harmonious balance between technology and aesthetics. It's important to ensure the UI is intuitive, allowing users to interact effortlessly with the new AI tools. Keep in mind that your design should feel natural and cohesive, with the AI elements complementing the overall look and feel. Finally, to wrap things up, it's time to test and fine-tune your design. Testing is crucial to ensure everything functions as intended and to catch any potential hiccups before your design goes live. Gather feedback from team members or potential users. The step will provide invaluable insights into what's working well and what might need tweaking. Remember, the goal is to refine your design until it's both lovable and functional, delivering a seamless experience that users will enjoy. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to infusing your designs with lovable AI features. Remember, integrating AI is not just about making your design smart, it's about enhancing the overall user experience, making it more engaging and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to create designs that are not only beautiful but also intelligently lovable.